Euro NCAP is a catalyst for continuous safety improvements in passenger vehicles. The influence of the Euro NCAP rating programme and Vision Zero, striving to eliminate fatalities and serious injury in road crashes, help make today's cars safer than ever. And as mobility evolves through developments in technology and society, so do our rating requirements. The ability of a vehicle to protect occupants and vulnerable user in the event of a crash, passive safety, to prevent or minimise the outcomes of a crash, active safety, and comprehensive information about post-crash rescue are now essential to achieve a high Euro NCAP safety rating.
Our mission at Euro NCAP is to encourage manufacturers to fit as a standard safety systems that are essentially making vehicles safer.
Child presence detection systems monitor the presence of an occupant in the vehicle. From 2023, vehicles are assessed for their ability to notify the driver or emergency services if a child is inadvertently left behind in a locked car. Vehicle submergence poses a danger to occupants, particularly where electrically powered windows and doors are fitted. From 2023, the ability to open electric windows and doors long enough for occupants to make a safe escape from the vehicle after submergence is rewarded. Autonomous emergency braking (AEB) systems detect and respond to other cars, pedestrians and cyclists. From 2023, vehicles are also assessed for their ability to detect and respond to motorcycles in their path or when turning. This is only possible with sophisticated AEB and active lane support systems. Another important AEB development in 2023 is the evaluation of a vehicle's ability to prevent head-on crashes with oncoming vehicles and when crossing paths at a T-junction. The high approach speed of such scenarios requires, amongst others, sensors with a wide field of view to detect and react over a longer distance. Pedestrians and cyclists remain among our most vulnerable road users, particularly with the popularity of multimodal transport. From 2023, collision avoidance testing is broadened to include AEB when reversing to detect a small child behind the car. Euro NCAP also protects cyclists by assessing vehicle systems that warn the driver or delay sudden door opening in the event of a cyclist passing by. The tests for passive protection of pedestrians and cyclists in case of unavoidable crashes have also been updated. New in 2023 is a more sophisticated leg form impactor, and the test zone for head impacts has been extended to better represent cyclist impacts. Safety technologies are becoming increasingly complex and society's approach to mobility is changing. You can count on Euro NCAP to continue to anticipate and adapt to this change, challenging vehicle manufacturers to ensure that drivers and the road users they interact with are offered the best possible vehicles.
The main goal indeed is to ensure that there is going to be a transformation of the current car fleet across Europe so that cars are safer and the number of accidents is reduced.